Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the Born Southern with my Cricut. So I've got the Cricut design space pulled up. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add, wrong button. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a square. And I am going to unlock it. This one's going to be long, so the width is going to be the 10 inches. Height is going to be 8 inches. What this does, it shows me how big I need to make my print. I don't want it to be gray, I want it to be white. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to add my text, and the first line is going to be, I said B, I typed B. Born. And our second text is going to be Southern. Now we need to choose what font we want to use, and I want to use one from my system. I think it's called Queenly, and I'm pretty sure I got this from Defont. There it is. Okay, see how far apart the letters are spaced? We don't want that, so we're going to go here to letter space, and we're going to move it down until most of our letters, if not all, are touching, just like in script writing. That is probably as close as we're going to be able to get it. Now we're going to make it a little bit larger. Now we're going to do the same thing with Born. Go down there to the Queenly. And we're going to do the same thing with the spacing. Okay, and the one way that you can make this actually print right is you can go down here and say weld, but we're going to do that in just a moment because we want to resize Born. And we want to go and add us a B. Going to duplicate that B and turn it blind this way. See, now isn't that cute? Alright, so let's say that we want our B's to be yellow just like they are on the Wayfair picture. So we will just change the color of our canvas to yellow. But you have to make sure you have yellow vinyl if you want to do that. I mean, I think it would be cute if it was all black. And as you can see, I also used a capital B and a capital S. On the original, it's a little b, but I think the capital B looks better for me, in my opinion. Move that over just so the O is touching the B. Alright, so what I want to do is, now that we've got everything sized, we can actually get rid of this. So we're just going to go and delete it. I'm going to take the Born and Southern, and I'm going to weld them together. And now, see, it's one part. So the next thing we want to do is, they're all set to cut, so we want to go and make it. And as you can see, I'm using a piece of scrap black vinyl. What I did when I was using the scrap vinyl is just make sure that the print will still come out on it. Also, another trick I have learned is instead of setting my vinyl to vinyl, you can see that it's set to paper plus. This way you won't cut through the vinyl. You'll cut through the vinyl without cutting the backing on it. And now I lay out my yellow vinyl. And as you can see, it's a piece of scrap vinyl also. So let's click here. And I mean, you don't have to use a Cricut to do this project. If you're good at handwriting, you can use a paint pen. You could use stickers, just whatever you want. If you are interested in vinyl and do not have a Cricut or a silhouette machine, check out my Etsy store where you can purchase these vinyl cutouts. And what that simply means is I will cut them out for you, and okay, I've just totally lost it. I'll cut them out and get everything ready, send them to you if you are interested in using vinyl and don't have a Cricut, check out my Etsy store. Okay, so now we are finished cutting everything out, and we are going to weed it.